In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a PlayStation 5 controller to an iPhone in order to play Fortnite. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. So please go ahead and open up settings right over here. Then go ahead and select on Bluetooth just like so, and then make sure that it is turned on. All right, once you confirm that Bluetooth is now turned on, now we need to go ahead and put our controller in pairing mode. To do that, what you want to do is you want to press on this button on the left and this PlayStation logo towards the center. So you want to hold on them at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm now holding them at the same time. And then eventually you're going to notice that a blue light will begin to beep. And when you see that beeping light, that is how you know that the controller is in pairing mode. And if we take a look at our iPhone, you will now notice that we will get the option that says dual wireless controller. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it just like so. And now it says connected. From here, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up Fortnite, and then you are good to go. You can go ahead and begin playing and have a ton of fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.